Yes, sir.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning, sir.
Morning. Okay. Just let me open the doing indefinite. We were doing. What were we doing? We started with the definite and indefinite part, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir, we have
Change
completed
the
with improper and some examples were left.
Some examples were left, right? Okay. Chalo.
That's standard in something.
Ha 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 ha. Some. Yes, 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 yes. Some example. Let's practice one or two examples. One example. Let's practice one or two. Just two examples. Let us practice, and then we'll move on. Okay. Okay. So let's now do question. Sixth one we did. Did we finish sixth one? This one. Question number 6.
No.
no, sir.
Let us do question number 6. Tell me what kind is this?
First kind.
First kind.
No.
Which?
This is not first kind. Observe properly.
Sir, both. Third.
Third answer.
This is third kind, right? This is
Hmm.
third. Can you see this is third kind? Because
Yes,
of
sir.
zero.
Hmm.
Root x, zero. That portion, right? But anyway, in these cases, what we learned is we shall proceed as we are doing a first kind. First kind will get the preference. So what will be the limit?
X. We put X on
Capital X tending to
infinity.
infinity. Yeah. And then we will do substitution on everything. We'll see
Ah.
how can we use it. So put x. We shall always proceed as we do with first kind. First kind gets the preference. Chalo. Do this one and tell me. But tell me the final answer. I'm stopping the screen share for a while.
Sir, I just came. What's the question?
Uh, okay. Wait. Mm, just hold on. Just hold on for a second.
Sir, is the answer pi?
Just give me a minute, please. This is the question. Number 6 is highlighted. That is the question. I think the answer is pi. I think so.
Pi.
Sir,
Others are
undefined, I
getting pi?
think so.
Huh?
Sir, undefined.
Undefined. No, I
10.
think the answer is pi.
Sir, tan
So what?
inverse infinity equals to?
You tell me.
So that only I have a confusion. It should
Pi by
be.
2.
5/2.
Pi by 2.
Oh हाँ pi by 2. Sorry. हाँ undefined है उसके बाद. हाँ pi by 2.
Pi by 2. So answer is pi by 2 or pi? I think it's pi.
Pi. 2 into
Yes,
pi
sir.
by
Pi.
5.
Yes,
Pi
sir.
is the
Pi.
answer. So this is a convergent. This is a convergent integral, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And yes. We did Cauchy principal value sense. Okay. So look at these questions. Suppose let us take a question number. Let us take question number 3. This one. Chalo. Read the question. Evaluate if exists the following proper improper. Tell me the highlighted question. Is that improper? First of all, tell me
Improper,
that. Is
yes,
it
sir.
improper?
Yes,
Why
sir.
is it
Yes,
improper?
at 0 it
Sir,
will
at
be.
0 it
At
will.
Which kind?
Second
Which
kind.
kind? This is second kind, right?
Second kind.
At
Yes, sir.
0 it is undefined. 0 is the point of infinite discontinuity. But the question is check whether it exists. So first you have to check whether it exists or not, whether it is convergent or divergent. If they do not exist, check whether they exist in principal Cauchy value sense or not. So they are mentioning Cauchy value sense. That means you have to do the second part. Remember, putting epsilon 1 is equal to epsilon 2. That part. You remember we did this yesterday.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
it has two parts. Basically, these type of questions have two parts. First part is the usual way we proceed. We take up in epsilon 1, epsilon 2, we take up and then see. Chalo, do this one. Tell me what are the steps? How to do this? Can you tell? First,
Sir,
what is the
minus
first
1
step?
to 0 and 0 to 2.
We have to break that 0. And where we shall put the limits? At which point?
0 plus infinity.
0.
The first one will be 0 minus.
Epsilon 1.
Yeah,
First one will be
yeah.
0 minus.
Zero minus
The
0
second one will be 0 plus epsilon 2. Chalo, do this one. Tell me the answer. What you are getting. First, check whether it is convergent or divergent.
Sir, what is log minus 1?
You tell me. What is log minus 1? Yes. What is log minus anyone?
0.
Undefined, sir.
What is log 1 then?
Log minus 1 undefined.
It's undefined. What is the domain of log function? If you look at the graph, what is the
Sir,
domain of
only
Greater
positive
than
Log में
negative.
minus नहीं
only
लेते.
positive
taken
x?
as log.
Log में
Only
minus नहीं.
positive. The domain of log x is x greater than 0, not even equal to 0.
Then it won't exist in general sense.
It does not exist.
Does not exist in general sense. Chalo. Now check in Cauchy principal value sense.
Is the answer log 2?
Answer is I don't have the answer actually. I think it
It
is
won't.
Sir,
I
it
think
won't.
so.
Sir, it won't
It won't
exist in
exist.
Cauchy as well. Because
It won't
even if we
exist.
take the constant same, the minus 1 won't change.
Then I think yeah. Because of log of minus 1,
Yes, sir.
it will be still divergent.
Hmm.
Right? It will be still divergent.
Yes, sir.
Log 2 is not the answer. It will be still divergent.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let us do one more question. What about question number 4? How to do this? Is it improper? First of all, is it improper?
Yes, sir, it is.
Yes,
It
it
is
is.
improper. At which point?
Sir, it won't exist in general, but
Zero.
it will exist
How?
in Cauchy principle.
At zero,
How?
sir.
At zero. So
At
again,
zero,
you have to break at zero. Again, you have to break at zero. Isn't it? You have to break at zero. Chalo. But there's a mod thing. How to take care of the mod thing? Can you tell?
पहले
We can take plus and minus.
Only take positive value.
Yes, yes. Someone is saying. I guess Shihab is
Yes,
saying.
sir.
Yes, tell me.
Marmic acid. Correct.
Marmik.
So only take
Sir, 0
positive
to
value,
1.
0 to 1.
The domain of mod x.
At
Greater
x
zero.
to zero, greater than 0, we have to take positive.
No.
No,
No.
sir. From
Sir,
minus
at
1
first
to
we will
0,
put a
we'll put
negative and then
minus
we will
x
put
and
positive.
Sir,
then
1 upon
Yes,
x.
yes. She is right. So it will be two parts. Minus 1 to 0 and minus 1 to 0 and 0 to 1. In minus 1 to 0, the function will become what?
It is
1 by
dx by minus.
dx
Minus
by
x.
minus x.
1 by
Exactly.
minus
dx by
x.
minus x. Exactly. But in 1 plus 0 wala part, it will be 1 by x only because of mod function, right? This is
Yes.
what you have to take care of. Chalo. Now do it and tell me the answer. Karo to. Again, two parts. First, the general
That doesn't
case.
exist in general sense.
Doesn't exist in general sense. Okay. Actually, I don't have the answer, so I'm not sure. Okay, others. Let us check with others.
So divergent.
Divergent hoche. Okay. Okay, so two answers correct. And what about Cauchy principal value sense?
So then also improper.
Then also
Mane,
no
no solution.
Divergent.
Yes,
Then
yes,
also
So
yes.
divergent.
divergent. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Divergence.
divergent.
Okay. So both the cases divergent. Chalo.
Sir, always if log minus 1, there will be no solution.
Yes, obviously, if the term log minus 1 is present, it is always undefined. So no effect of epsilon 1 different on epsilon 2
Yes,
same.
sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, but
So that you have to
this
check.
function is even. Then normally we should have got 0 sometime.
No, even function is 2 times 0 2 way.
Odd
For odd
में
function
zero.
it is 0.
Okay, yes, sir.
Sir, in log there is no solution for solving minus if there is minus something.
No, log function is not defined only for negative numbers.
0 and negative.
Okay.
Log is not defined only. It is only defined for positive numbers, strictly positive numbers, not even 0. If you look at the function of the graph of the function, it is on the right hand side of the y-axis, isn't it?
Yes.
The graph does not even cross y-axis. It is on the right hand side of the y-axis. Anyway, chalo. So this is all about improper and definite part. Let us now move on to the next part. It is beta gamma function. We are going to do two special kinds of. Oh no! Wait. Still, this is remaining. Convergence of. Yeah, this one we did. Pi is the
Sir,
answer. Yeah.
is it possible that the log of negative numbers lies in a different plane, like imaginary
No.
numbers lies in Gaussian plane?
Imaginary is different. Undefined is different. Right. Minus one is log of. It is different. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Chalo.
Imaginary वाले complex हो जाएगा.
That is complex. Right. Chalo. Let's do this one. This kind of cases. Convergence. I think, did we do these problems? I don't. No, we did not do this problems. Okay. Now convergence of some standard improper integrals. Look at this question number 1. In this type of questions, you will get one n, right? One n you will get, small n. You will get one small n. What does that mean? This means you have to check the convergence for particular value of n. I mean, the convergence will depend on the value of n. till now, whatever examples we took up, there was no n. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Look at these examples. Except question number 1, 2, 3, and 9. 1, 2, 3, and 9. All other questions, they don't have n in them. So question number 1, 2, 3 is the these are the problems that we are going to learn now, right? Are you understand what I'm trying to say? There is no n.
Yes.
This n means understand the convergence depends on that n that we are going to learn. I mean, for some values of n, this will be improper. I mean, this will be convergent. For some values of n, this will be divergent, and so on. Let's see how. This is an improper integral of first kind. Can you say this first kind?
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
Right? Why the condition A positive? What is the utility of this condition? A greater than 0? Tell me.
It proves that it is in the positive number line.
No. And the limit is A to
নেগেটিভ
infinity.
ডাইভারজেন্ট হয়ে যাবে।
No, that will check. No, that will check. That will check.
तो
Divergent होगा,
अनडिफाइंड हो जाएगा ना।
क्यों undefined होगा?
Okay.
अनडिफाइंड तो एमनी হবে ইনফিনিটিতে।
কেন হবে infinity?
जीरो हो जाएगा।
নেগেটিভ में improper।
ও না, তাহলে তো
It
এটা
is
ঠিকই
anyway
আছে।
improper. It is anyway improper because of first kind, because infinity is
হ্যাঁ,
there.
ফার্স্ট কাইন্ডের জন্য।
Sir,
স্যার
for A
নেগেটিভ হলে
equals
আনডিফাইন্ড হয়ে যাবে।
sir, for
No.
A equals 0, sir, it will be undefined actually, sir. If we
But-
put the value in X.
So what is the problem? We have questions in which we put x equal to 0, it becomes second.
এটাকে পজিটিভ ভ্যালু আনানোর জন্য
No, okay. Chalo. If we put if A is like less than 0 or even greater than equal to 0, that means what is the limit? The limit becomes from 0 to infinity. Suppose we are taking A is equal to 0, greater than equal to 0. Then observe, this integral is no more first kind, but it becomes third kind, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Yes.
The function is 1 by x raised to n, right? Is that okay?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Now
sir.
where is this function undefined? At which point?
At zero.
At 0. Now this is the utility of A greater than 0. Because A is greater than 0, that means what is the limit? In the limit of the integral, 0 is excluded. Can you see?
हाँ.
Yes, sir.
Because
Yes,
0
sir.
is excluded, this is clearly first kind. If we include 0 in the limit, it will become third kind. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
That is why A is given to be positive. If A is not positive, it becomes third kind. Chalo.
So third
Sir,
kind
can you repeat?
If
থার্ড
A
কাইন্ডের
is
সমস্যা।
no samosha, it will be different. Like what should I say?
Process change हो
It will
जाएगा ना।
it will be a different question altogether. So like these problems, they come in this form only. That's all. Samosha kichhi hobe na, right? You get it? It will become a bit more complex. That's got it. When you see the solution, you will understand third kind to samosha bede jabe. For example, you did this
স্যার
one.
তাহলে এটা আনডিফাইন্ড কি করে হলো?
দেখো কি হয়? এই example, this was third kind. So generally third kind কি হয়? When you did the substitution, the problem was with the point x equal to 0. Because of substitution, it was waived off. Can you see?
Yes,
Third
sir.
kind roilo in R.
हाँ.
Because of substitution, it was waived off. Kintu ei question you cannot do that. If it becomes third kind, it will be very difficult to solve. That is the problem. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
The problem will be in the solution. The solution will become very complex. It won't be easily solved like this one. This was also third kind, but it was easily solved. Right? So that's why we keep it first kind only. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Because it is first kind, so how to proceed? We have learned how to proceed.
Export करेंगे.
We'll put x equal to x to infinity. These are the steps. This is how we have done. Chalo. I think I don't need to tell anything about these steps. Now you tell me, what is the value of this limit? একটু চিন্তা করে বলো তো, what will be the value of this particular limit? It has two parts. 1 by n minus 1, the limit is on x. What about the first term, 1 by a to the power n minus 1? Is there any effect of the limit on that term?
No, sir.
No, it comes out. Tell me the next limit. That is limit x tends to infinity 1 by x raised to n minus 1. Think and tell me.
0
Sir, n less than 1.
कैसे
ওটা জিরো হয়ে যাবে
But that will be 0, sir.
So 1 by
कैसे
infinity.
कैसे कैसे zero?
স্যার এক্স তো ইনফিনিটি হয়ে
कैसे
যাচ্ছে
zero?
Infinity
x
zero.
infinity আছে আচ্ছা good okay चलो. What if I put n is equal to minus 2 for example? n এর উপর তো কোনো restriction নেই.
ও পজিটিভ উপরে চলে যাচ্ছে
What's
ইনফিনিটিটা
Ah. So can you see this limit depends on the value of n as well?
ইয়েস স্যার
Now you tell me, for what values of n this is infinite, and for what values of n this is like finite? বলো তো, চিন্তা করে বলো।
এন যদি
Sir, n greater
greater
than
than
1.
0 হয়
So the power of n,
greater than
the power of x, n minus 1,
হ্যাঁ
if
1
that is positive, think, if that is positive, তাহলে কি হবে? If the power of x is positive, then what is the limit?
ওটা 0 হয়ে যাবে
Then
It will be
0.
0. But if the power of x is negative, then x goes in the numerator. What will be the limit then?
Infinity. Infinity.
ইনফাইনাইট
Infinite.
Can I say this? So can I say this? So
Yes.
Oh,
n
sir.
minus
Yes,
1
sir.
positive
Understood.
means what? N minus 1 positive means n greater than 1.
Ah.
N minus 1 greater than 0 means n greater than 1. So can I write this? Can you hear me?
Ah, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I write this?
Hmm.
Chalo. So
স্যার what is the thing at n equals to 1
now coming to that, for all values of n, we have seen what is the situation except n equal to 1, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
You can take any value. So we have said if n is greater than 1, it will be convergent, and that will be the value. And if n is less than 1, then it will diverge. But what about n equal to 1?
ও তাহলেও আনডিফাইন্ড হয়ে
তো
যাবে
one
কারণ
হয়ে
ওটা
যাবে।
1 by 1
Undefined divergence हो जाएगा.
कैसे 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 होगा?
ওই ওখানে 1 by n minus 1 টা
Infinity.
1 by 0
होगा ही
হয়ে
ना,
যাবে
ना होगा ही ना. We cannot
Sir,
use this expression.
Sir, x तो
We
बचेगा
cannot
ही
use
नहीं.
this. We cannot use this expression क्योंकि इस पे वो मतलब undefined ही हो जाएगा ये. It is clearly undefined.
yes sir
It's infinite to the power 0, sir.
Now observe
Sir,
one
not
thing.
getting.
Now observe one thing. Yes. Now observe one thing. When I put n equal to 1, this will be undefined. In case of limit, it goes to infinity. Those are two different things. Are you understanding? Those are two different things.
No, sir. Didn't understand, sir.
एक बार
Sir,
बोलिए.
not
Chalo,
understood.
chalo, chalo. Tell me the value of 1 by 0.
ওটা আনডিফাইন্ড
Undefined.
মানে ইনফিনিটি
Undefined.
Clearly undefined. What is limit x tends to 0 1 by x?
x tends to 0
It is
1 by
infinity.
Approaching
ওটাও-
infinity.
হ্যাঁ
This is not undefined. This is very much defined, but going to infinity.
Yes, sir.
Are you
স্যার
getting?
একই
Oh,
তো
sir,
হলো
infinity.
No, ekdam ek holo na.
एक नहीं हुआ.
The
एक नहीं
first
हुआ.
one is undefined. There is no definition. Does not exist. But the second one, it exists. It very much exists. But the value is infinity. Two different things.
Yes, sir.
Acha.
Yes, sir.
Bujha gelo?
yes sir
Right? Okay. Now, when do we say limit, does not exist? We do not say a limit does not exist if it is undefined. We say limit does not exist for two cases. If number one, if the limit goes to infinity, then we say the limit is not existing, or if the uniqueness is lost. For example, limit extends to infinity sin x. Remember, we did one question.
oh yes sir yes sir
Yes, sir.
Limit, the value is existing. Understand one thing, the value is existing. In case of limits, always remember the value exists, right? The value exists is very much, I should not use the word exists, it is very much defined. But we use the term limit does not exist for two cases. If that value is infinity or minus infinity, whatever, or uniqueness is lost. We never say the limit does not exist if it is undefined. That's a different question altogether. Now come back to this question. This limit will exist if it is depending on the values of, like for x, this value when n is less than 1, that thing is going to infinity because x is going to infinity. But when I'm putting n equal to 1, it has nothing to do with the limit. Can you see? It has nothing to do with the limit. The term is 1 by n minus 1. It is clearly becoming undefined.
Yes,
Undefined. Yes, sir.
So I cannot use the term limit does not exist because it is not becoming undefined because of the limit. The limit is on x, but it is becoming undefined because of n. Are you getting the connection?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The inference limit does not exist should be because of x, no other factor. But here the term is becoming undefined not because of x, because of n. So limit of x has no effect. Got it?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
not getting.
Acha. Chalo.
So what is the conclusion at last?
I'm telling. Chalo, let me finish this, then I think you will get the answer when I come back to finish this. The thing is, I cannot conclude whether the limit exists or not. The limit
Sir,
exists.
if infinity is achieved by the limit, then it becomes infinity. If the infinity is not achieved by the limit, then it becomes undefined.
No. So
Sir,
again, every limit question. Remember one thing. In every limit question, till now, if you recall, you never got an undefined situation.
No,
It
no.
was either
Yes.
infinity or negative infinity or uniqueness is lost. If you think carefully,
Yes, sir.
never
Sir,
you get.
Yes, sir.
undefined
Sir,
was
we
there for
got-
the infinity over infinity.
Tell me one example.
Sir,
Undefined
infinity
to
over
hoga.
infinity. Infinity over infinity.
So that is defined. That is very much defined. Isn't it? Infinity by
ওটাকে তো
infinity for
undefined বলতাম.
nah, it is wrong. It is wrong. Undefined is different. See, what is the meaning of defined? Defined means it exists. The value exists. The value might be very big, or we may not know, but it exists. But 1 by 0 does not exist. It has no meaning. It is undefined. It has no definition. But when I'm saying, for example, if I'm writing limit x tends to infinity, x by tan x, or say x by e raised to x. Chalo, bolo to, what is the limit x tends to infinity x by e raised to x? Tell me. What is this value?
এটা
What is
তো
the value of this limit?
infinity by x e to the power infinity.
First of all, tell me the value is this infinity by infinity form?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right? Tell
But
me
the
the value of this
infinities are
limit.
different.
No, sir.
Tell me
Infinity ही होगा सिर्फ.
इसका लिमिट का वैल्यू क्या है? Tell me what is the value of this limit? Limit extends to infinity x by e raised to x.
স্যার
Simple
দুটো
question.
আলাদা ইনফিনিটি.
Yes, sir,
Tell
infinity.
me the value of the limit. Forget. Just tell me let's solve this
Sir,
question.
infinity ही होगा सिर्फ.
No,
হ্যাঁ infinity over infinity.
no. Infinity over infinity is the form. What is the answer? This is my
सर आप
question.
बोले क्या? X e by x.
X के x numerator denominator e के power में x by e raised to x. Limit extends to infinity. What is the answer?
1.
Zero.
Infinity ही होगा
Answer
सर.
is
Sir,
1.
zero.
Sorry, sir. The answer is 0. नहीं
Zero.
sorry. Answer is 0. क्यों
1 by
0?
infinity. सर इसको 1 by infinity by 1 by infinity लिख देंगे.
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता.
Sir, L hospital.
L hospital লাগিয়েছি.
When do we use L hospital rule? 0 by 0 form. Infinity form. So this is
Because-
Oh,
solution.
yes, sir.
Sir,
Defined
indefinite
हो गया ना?
form.
0 is very much defined.
हाँ.
These are not infinity. That's what I'm saying. In any limit problem, you will never get undefined solution. होता ही नहीं है. She was saying, tell me an example. I'll tell you. There is an infinity form. It can be infinity or it can be finite, or it can be like not unique, but never it will be undefined. Never. That's मतलब undefined अगर होता है, that means either you have done wrong, or you have not understood the concept, or it is not a limit problem at all. Either of these three. But if it's a limit problem, the solution will be either either finite In that case, we say the limit exists, or it will be infinite, or uniqueness will be lost.
Yes,
But
sir. Understood.
never undefined case. Now look at this problem. What is this happening? If you put n equal to 1, and all the cases, what I'm saying, it will be either infinite or finite. Everything will depend on x. Everything, because the limit, that is the variable. When it's a limit problem, we say what is the variable. So on the value of the variable, the inference occurs. But in this particular problem, the variable is x. But when I put n equal to 1, what I'm trying to say is, when I put n equal to 1, the expression becomes undefined, whatever be the value of x. Are you getting?
हाँ
Yes,
yes
sir.
sir.
Yes.
X,
Yes, sir.
if
Firstly,
I put
1 by
limit
0
x,
coming so undefined.
suppose I'm putting limit x equal to 1. Limit I'm putting x equal to 1. What is the value of this expression? What is the value of this expression?
X equal to 1.
Sir, it becomes undefined.
Again undefined. Why it is undefined? Because of n.
हाँ हाँ.
Are you getting?
Yes.
It does not, like the x, variable x has no hand in it. It has no role. Whatever you put. So the limit question is depending on x, but this expression is becoming undefined where there is no role of x. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Which means I cannot, infer. My answer to this question is depending on how did we define. Remember, it is convergent or divergent if the limit exists. Now this expression is becoming undefined with no role of the limit. Whatever be the limit, it will be undefined only. Isn't it?
हाँ.
Right? Try to get the logic. I said it will be convergent or divergent if the limit exists. And the limit exists or not, that depends solely on x. X is our hero. But in this question, x is patta hi pacche na. Whatever be x, it is undefined. So I cannot
Yes, sir.
say
N hero हो गया.
n hero हो गया अब तो. x का कोई
Sir,
वैल्यू ही नहीं है.
একটা question বলবো.
हाँ बोलो.
Limit x tends to infinity, x to the power 7 by 2x plus x to the power 7.
X to the power 7 by 2x plus
X to the power 7.
Okay, yes. Tell me, কি হবে এটা?
স্যার এটা তো আপনি infinity by infinity ছাড়া কিছু পাবেন না।
Infinity by infinity form. চলো. This is infinity by infinity. What is the value of the limit?
सर x to the power 7 कॉमन नहीं है ना वो निश्चित।
सर इसमें एल हॉस्पिटल लगाने से हो जाएगा।
फिर से एल
कॉमन ले काट देंगे।
सर एल हॉस्पिटल लगाना
कॉमन ले काट देंगे।
Yes, exactly. So it will become, you can even cancel out. So it will be x raised to 6.
x to the power 7 कॉमन नहीं है नहीं केटे दो।
x raised to 7 तो कॉमन जावे ना, x जावे नीचे. He has said 2x plus x raised to 7, right? Am I right?
सर 0 आंसर आएगा।
No. So it will be x raised to 6 by 2 plus x raised to 6. Correct?
Yes sir.
Yes sir. तारपो एल हॉस्पिटल लगाले सब
सर सिर्फ न्यूमरेटर या डिनोमिनेटर में लगाने से हो जाएगा, दोनों में लगाने से फिर कंफ्यूजन में आ जाएगा वो।
L hospitals is like, differentiate both of them. So what do you get? What is the answer?
सर जरूरी नहीं है दोनों में करने का, डिनोमिनेटर में भी करने से हो जाएगा रिजल्ट।
एल हॉस्पिटल दोनों में ही करना।
दोनों में होता है वो।
दोनों ही होता है।
सर one answer आ रहा है सर।
Answer will be 1.
Yes sir.
Answer is 1.
हाँ 1.
This is infinite by infinite form.
Limited
This is
कौन रोल
infinite by infinite form. But 1, see again, defined. You are getting a value. Undefined कभी नहीं होगा. That's what I'm saying. That's what you need to learn. Limit problem.
अरे
L hospital you have to apply L hospital to 7 times. Or maybe 2 times you take, then things get cancelled out. Like first you take like only 2 times, not even 2 times. I think 1 time only. First you take
one time में कर दिया।
ओ अच्छा ठीक है।
X raised to 6 by 2 plus x raised to 6. 1 time you do, it becomes 6 x raised to 5.
Yes,
Niche 6 x raised to 5, which is 1.
Sir, I have a question, sir.
So
Yes,
one
tell me.
question.
স্যার এখানে কি n equals to 1 এ শুধু n হিরো হবে নালে হবে না?
হ্যাঁ একদম, because n equal to 1 এর জন্য x এর কোনো ভ্যালুই নেই. What understand, see, whatever you put the limit, x যা কিছু লিমিট কর দেখো এটা undefined ই হচ্ছে, isn't it?
Yes sir.
So we can, my answer depends on x, on the limit of x. Again, what was the line? The integral is convergent if the limit exists. The integral is
না এখানে
divergent
লিমিটটা
if
দেখতেই
the
হচ্ছে না, তার আগেই
if the
আনডিফাইন্ড হয়ে যাচ্ছে।
if the limit does not exist. In both cases I am talking of limit only. এখানে লিমিটের তো কোনো এক্সিস্টেন্সই নেই, কারণ এক্সপ্রেশনটাই আনডিফাইন্ড হয়ে গেল, isn't it?
স্যার আপনি
No
যখন
role of
x টেন্ডস টু 1 বললেন আর ছোট এনটা যখন 1 হবে তখন তো এটার এক্সপ্রেশন 1/1 হয়ে যাবে না?
একদম হবে না। If n equal to 1 again is undefined, 1/0 is undefined, definition ই নেই কোনো।
স্যার x টেন্ডস টু 1 যদি
1 by
হয়
n minus 1 আছে
x
ওখানে,
tends to
that's all.
let x be anything, any value. Just look at the expression 1/n minus 1. If you put n equal to 1, immediately it becomes undefined.
yes okay.
Are you getting? That's
Sir,
that's what
sir.
you need to learn. বলো।
sir, if we suppose the 1 by n minus 1 was not there, sir, if
Then
x,
तब तो कुछ और ही होता, तब तो फिर कुछ और करना पड़ता, obviously, तब
Sir,
तो हम प्रोसीड कर पाते हैं।
हाँ sir, फिर x to the sir infinite to the power 0, is it defined, sir?
Anything by 0 is undefined. Anything by 0
No sir,
is
not by 0, sir, to the power 0, sir. Infinite to the power 0.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, वो भी तो है ना, कुछ फॉर्म है। There are many forms, infinity by infinity form, 0 by 0
Sir, वो
form, 0 to the power
indeterminate form
infinity
है ना?
form,
Sir,
0 to the power 0 form.
Sir,
sir,
but
you are
according to
saying
the
that n equals to 1, then undefined. But over
Yeah,
here,
obviously. If you put
Hello?
n equal to 1 by 1 minus 1, that is 1 by 0, undefined.
It's undefined. But for n equals to 1, LHL and RHL is different. Then limit does not exist.
Where?
Sir, for
LHL.
n greater than 1, we are getting a
greater-
different value. And for n
That's
less
okay.
than
Okay, wait. N greater than 1. When x is tending to infinity, two variables are here. X is going to infinity only. So when n is greater than 1, chalo. The limit exists on the last expression. প্রথমটা তো 1 by n minus 1 ই থাকবে, 1 by a raised to n minus 1 ই থাকবে, no effect on that because the limit is on x, the last value. So basically we look at limit x tends to infinity 1 by x to the power n minus 1 where n is greater than 1. Correct?
2.
Anything, any value. When n is greater than 1, x will have positive power in the denominator. Correct?
yes, sir.
Yes.
So
So
sir,
limit-
I'm telling that the limit value is different. So LHL not equals to
No,
R.
why different? Why it is
Sir,
different?
because for n greater than 1, 1 by n minus 1 into a to the power means it's something defined, and
ওটা 0 হয়ে যাচ্ছে।
over this is infinity. So
Okay. Again. The limit variable is x. ঠিক আছে? The limit variable is x. N is a different variable.
তো লিমিটটা শুধু x এর
X এর
উপরেই কাজ
উপরেই
করে
আছে।
যেটা
When you are saying LHL, RHL, আচ্ছা চলো,
okay sir,
আরেকটা জিনিস।
understood. Okay.
It is
yes,
not
sir.
on n. It is
Yes
not on
sir,
n.
it's on
It's on x. ঠিক আছে? Okay.
Sir, one more thing.
Yes.
Sir, if x is more than 1, then it will
X is
and
going
if
to
n
infinity.
equals
X is
to
going
1,
to infinity. X is going to infinity. So it is obviously greater than 1.
sir, but n minus 1 exists in power, so anything to the power 0 is 1. So
Anything to the power 0 is 1. No, I'm not getting it.
अरे
Again, I'm
ब्रैकेट के
saying
बाहर
do not get confused between x and n, two different values. The limit is on x. X is an infinite number. Now think in that way. What is your question?
Okay.
Come again. Tell me a
yes,
question.
sir, now it's clear.
It's clear. Okay. Is that okay?
Yes sir.
So the question remains what to do with n equal to 1, because if I put n equal to 1, the limit has no role. I cannot infer anything from this expression. Anything. I cannot say anything. No conclusion I can do from this expression because limit has no role. So what to do? So for n equal to 1, we go back to the original question. So we put n equal to 1 in the original question and solve it all over again. This is how we solve. Because ये तो dead end हो गया ना यहाँ पर, अब n equal to 1 बैठा नहीं सकते, dead end हो गया ये तो, अब कोई चारा नहीं है. So we go back to the original question, वहां पर जाके n equal to 1 बैठाते हैं, and then we check. So it's a new question altogether. So that's what it has been done in the last. देखो log x कुछ आ गया. What is the value of this limit? बताओ.
Infinity.
This is infinity. So limit does not exist. है ना? Limit does not exist. Infinity हो गया. I told earlier also. If you're doing a limit problem, either it will be defined finite or it will be infinite or fluctuating, not unique. Either of these three is infinity. See, there is another reason why you understand now A को C. Now you understand more clearly why A is not negative. देखो अगर A negative हो जाता ना ये undefined हो जाता. Not because of the limit. Not because again see. Not because of the limit. Because of what? The term log A, which has nothing to do with the limit. Isn't it? अगर A negative होता है, then the expression is undefined, which is not because of the limit, but for the term log A. समझ में आ रहा है?
हाँ सर हाँ ए हीरो हो जाता.
A हीरो होता है exactly. अब A हीरो हो जाता है. So final answer क्या हुआ? This is convergent for n greater than 1 and divergent for n less than equal to 1. है ना?
हाँ सर.
Right. चलो. Similarly, you have this second question.
Sir, for n equals to 1, it will be 0, no?
No, divergent. This limit. Limit extends to infinity, limit log x by a. When x is going to infinity, a is a positive number, so x by goes to
Sir,
infinity.
when x is going to infinity, ln x is 0.
No, absolutely. Log 1 is 0. Look at the graph. How does the graph look?
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir. Understood.
Always, it's always when I teach students, I always say, always keep the graph in mind. Graph is the most important thing for any function. Like from the graph, you can infer all the details of the function. You can tell what is the domain, you can tell what is the codomain, whether the function is continuous or not, whether the function is differentiable or not, what is the limit, everything can be said from the graph. Graph is very, very important. So look at the graph. Limit means what? When x is going to infinity, where is the graph going? That's all. That's all.
Yes, sir.
If I say limit extends to 0, what is the graph? Where is the graph going?
Sir, I actually got confused with the graph of e to the power x, so I was thinking.
E to the power x and log x, they are inverse of each other. Correct?
Yes, sir. I understood now totally.
Now, if you draw the graphs, you will see they are mirror images of each other, where the mirror is y is equal to x line. Think. If you draw y is equal to x line, that is 45-degree wala line, then log x and e raised to x, they are mirror image of each other.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Chalo. We have similar questions. We'll do this second question. I forgot to send you the notes actually. I got so busy. Did you get the group mail? No, not yet, right?
Sir, we have one WhatsApp group.
You have made one WhatsApp. Okay, I'm sending this note in WhatsApp. Right now I'm sending. Right now. I'm stopping the screen share. Just give me 2 minutes. I'll take the attendance and leave you and send you the note right now. Otherwise, I'll forget once again.
And Merry Christmas, sir.
Oh, yes, Merry Christmas.
Sir, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, sir.
Merry Christmas, sir.
Merry Christmas, sir.
Yes, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. लेकिन हम लोग शायद 27 को मिल रहे हैं ना 27 को?
Yes, sir.
Okay, not Happy New Year now. अभी नहीं. अभी Merry Christmas से. Correct. अभी Merry Christmas, correct. चलो. What are the plans by the way?
बाड़ीचे केक बनिए
Sleeping, sir.
Sleeping and eating. Oh yes, that is.
बाड़ीचे केक बनिए खावा सर.
हाँ, এটাও ভালো. এটা খুব ভালো.
तेरा बिजनेस है भाई.
Oh, really?
हाँ सर.
Makes very good cake. सर जब कॉलेज खुलेगा तो केक लेके आएगा आपके लिए.
चलो फंसा दिया तुमको. देखो ये लोग फंसा दिया तुमको.
হ্যাঁ স্যার আপনার জন্য নিয়ে আসবে আমরাও তো খাবো.
হ্যাঁ ওটা তো বলছি ফাঁসিয়ে দিল সবাই মিলে ফাঁসিয়ে দিলে ওকে ঠিক আছে ওকে চলো we'll see on 20 Monday we have a class
Monday
Yes sir.
very nice weekend very nice Christmas and enjoy chalo bye
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
okay
Thank you, sir.
bye. Yeah, bye.